Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday and welcome to Vlogmas episode 4. If you're new here and you're wondering why I call them episodes and not days, because I'm not uploading every single day, so I'm kind of doing my own thing. Therefore, Vlogmas episode number 4. So in today's video, I have a very requested video topic. Today I'm going to be sharing my updated bookshelf tour. I kind of moved rooms in my house a little over a month ago, and I also did like a room tour and everything. If you want to go watch that, it's going to link in the description. But basically I moved rooms and I added a new, well, it's a book cart because I have 2 bookshelves and now I have a little book cart that I love, and it's so cute. So a lot of you guys have asked me to do an updated bookshelf tour, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So I do want to explain a little bit how I'm gonna do this bookshelf tour, because I've done 2 bookshelf tours at this point, but I want to do this one a little bit different. I'm basically going to do this tour kind of very aesthetically pleasing, I would say, because I'm not gonna like talk you through it. In my other 2 bookshelf tours, I've kind of like talked to you guys through every single book that I own and like give you the title and everything, but I just feel like you don't need to like hear me say every single book. I think that's kind of annoying. So I hope you guys like it. If you don't, don't come at me. I'm trying this. It's a new thing. Let's see if it'll work. But before we get started, remember to subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos, because right now I don't have an uploading schedule, which means that you basically don't know when I'm gonna upload. So it's really helpful to turn on the notification so you basically get notified. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started because it's gonna be a long video. Grab a coffee, let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to show you this bookshelf first. This one is near my desk. This is what it looks like. If you're wondering what bookshelf this is, it's the GERSBY IKEA bookshelf. I'm going to link it down below in the description. This is how it looks. Okay, so at the top here I have all my L. Kennedy books. I've only read like 3 books from the off-campus series, and I haven't really read the Briar U series. I don't know, mixed opinions on that series, but let me show you all the books. Oh, and I'm sorry if they're not in order. I don't really like know the order for the Briar U series, so yeah, I'm sorry if that bothers you. Okay, so the next shelf is basically all filled with Christmas books or holiday books, and this is probably going to change after Christmas and like after the holidays, but for right now this is what I have and I'm loving it. These are all the books that I have for Christmas that I want to read. Okay, so this next shelf basically has a bunch of romance books, so yeah. Okay, so the next shelf is basically a bunch of Book of the Month books and other hardcover books. I'm so sorry that the logos are not in order. I hope that doesn't bother you. Okay, bestie, so the last part of this bookshelf has basically a bunch of fantasy slash mystery and romance books. It's a combination of a lot of things, so yeah. Okay, besties, so this is my other bookshelf. I have all of my Colleen Hoover books at the top because you guys know that she's my favorite author. I love her. And then I have a bunch of other books. And at the bottom, I honestly use some for like storage. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you all of these. Now I'm gonna show you all of these. Okay, bestie, so this is the last shelf on this bookshelf. Okay, bestie, so this is my book cart. I have it in this little corner where I have another like stand with plants, and I have my nightstand here, so my bed is literally, here. So this is my bed, and in this little corner I have the book cart.